everyone! So this video is for anyone who has finished a book they really loved and are looking for their next read. The tool I'm about to show you is great because it can actually recommend books based on previous reads you've enjoyed, or you can browse similar books within a certain genre. And even better, you may be able to read them all for free because the tool I'm about to show is from the Dekalb County Public Library. So first, you want to go to the Dekalb Library website, which is just dekalblibrary.org. Then you scroll down beyond the upcoming events section to the We're Here to Help You section and find the link that says Find Books to Read. So you click on that, and then there will be a form, and you can actually answer all of these questions, and you'll be sent a personalized recommendation list of books that you can read next based on what you say in this form. Another option you may want to consider is by going over here where it says Browse section and click Reading Recommendations on the right. So here you can actually click on a specific genre that you are interested in. So say you would like to read science fiction next. You can click on science fiction, and then you will be shown several subgenres within the science fiction genre. So say you are interested in feminist science fiction. You can click on feminist science fiction, and a list of feminist science fiction books will pop up on the next page. And essentially what you can do once you arrive here is just take the title of the book that you would like to read, or and buy it on your own. But another way that you could do it and read these books for free is just by placing a request to read it and getting it at your local library. So you can go on the right hand side and click on and choose the library that's closest to you. So say it's the Decatur Library, and then below the book title, it will say how many copies are available at your specific library that you've chosen over here. And even if this copy is not available at the closest library near you, you can actually just place a request and then it can be sent over. So through this tool, not only can you find titles of books that you may want to read next or get a personalized list of book recommendations, but you can also place requests and read them for free through the Dekalb County Public Library system. So thank you so much and for watching, and I hope you were able to learn something.